It's still early. What time is it? It is 5:51. I feel like I usually wake up after I do my skin routine, but I don't know, this morning I'm really tired. So I wanted to show you guys just what I do in the morning as far as skincare. I'm getting ready to go into the office today. So my outfit. Today we're having a holiday luncheon, holiday social type thing at work. So I was thinking I wear a Christmas sweater. So I remember I got this sweater last year, but I was too pregnant to wear it, and it's really cute. It has reindeer on it. And I just feel like it's festive, holiday-ish. So I'm gonna try this on and see if I even like it, and then I'll let you guys know. The sweater is actually really cute. I don't know, I thought I didn't like it, but I don't know, I was just really pregnant last year, so maybe that's why. Yeah, it probably just wasn't working, but I think it's cute. It's so festive. So I'm going to do some makeup now, and then I'll pretty much be ready. I got these gold hoops, so let me take out these studs. I love gold hoops so much, gold and silver. I just feel like a little medium pair of hoops is necessary to accessorize. So yeah, let's go ahead and start on some makeup. I'm looking down because my mirror is right here. So first things first, let's do some brows. So for brows, because I'm going to work, I like to keep it super simple. So Just gonna do a little brow freeze gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I pretty much just like to use this stuff on a daily, just to like tame my wild brows, because they be looking crazy. But I don't have time to do like a full brow routine. Like most days I'm running late. Today I just happened to wake up early. Usually I would be like, I never have time to film. And now I'm here filming at 6 a.m. So that's crazy. But also I got this new camera stand and I don't know, it's just motivating me. Plus it's vlogmas. So next thing I'm gonna do is do some eyeliner, which I cannot talk and do eyeliner. So I will be right back. By the way, this right now is my favorite eyeliner. It is the Liquid Liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And what shade is this? I don't know, it doesn't really say shade, but it's black. Okay, so this is the best I could do with the winged eyeliner right now. Like I said, I love this eyeliner and I really want to get it in brown, but I have shopped at Sephora so much. I can't justify another purchase right now. So now that eyeliner is out of the way, let's go ahead and use some mascara. I'm going to be using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Yeah, I don't wear eyelashes to work. I actually usually don't wear lashes unless I'm filming a makeup tutorial just because I wear glasses. Like, I actually can't see. So funny. But I do like makeup sometimes with like really bold lashes. Um, but some of my tutorials don't have bold lashes, but still, the lashes really do make the look. And once upon a time, I could wear lashes when I had like the LASIK eye surgery, but yeah, that has since worn off. And I have never went back and got a touch-up, even though I said I would never do it, but now I often think about getting touch-up. Now it's time for a lip combo. I'm going to be doing my favorite classic Christmas combo. And usually I wouldn't wear this to work because it's really bold and red. But like I said, we are doing a little holiday thing, so it's fine. What I just did was take my favorite lip liner. You guys can see it is literally this small. This is the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in shade Chestnut. So I always take this one, then I go in with the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Sin. And just kind of, oh, I hate that my lipstick is so dull. I'm just gonna go right over that lip liner. Now for like a little ombre effect, I like to take this lipstick by, notice I don't even wear this lipstick by itself. It's already dark. I like to take this lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I'll plop this right in the middle for like a little ombre effect. And now I'm just going to blend everything together. And this is one of my favorites, classic Christmas lips. I feel like it's so cute, so ombre, perfect for the holidays. So I'm gonna do like a little blush, just a little bit. Mind you, I'm not wearing foundation. Like, I'm really good for wearing a little blush with no foundation. Don't care. Don't care. Just gives the cheeks a little color, just a little pigment. And this was the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Wand. Oh, Matte Beauty Blush Wand. I messed that all up. And it's the shade Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk. And I'm going to go in with the Dior Rosy Glow Blush. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready for work. I'll show you guys the boots that I'm going to be wearing. These little cute boots, I just feel like they would set it off. Talk about doing the most. Don't care. So cute.